is not ending here. It is a new beginning, as I always say, that you will have to carry this knowledge, spread throughout your colleagues, students, society, and across the globe, so that the globe connects everyone and we will able to develop the secure IoT application and then securing ourselves, our family, and everybody. So wish you all a very happy and also safe time ahead. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure to introduce our guest speaker, Dr. Subhash Shinde, sir. Sir has received BE degree in computer engineering from Marathwada University in July 1990 and ME degree in information technology from Mumbai University. Sir has done PhD from SGGS College of Engineering and Technology, Nanded, affiliated to Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded in October 2012. He is presently holding position of professor in computer engineering and vice principal in Lokmanya Tilak College of Engineering, Navi Mumbai. He has worked as a chairman and board of studies in computer engineering under Faculty of Technology and University of Mumbai. The member of the Academic Council BUTR RRC of University of Mumbai from July 2015 to September 2019. Also member of Board of Study in Information Technology under Faculty of Engineering Technology of Pune University from July 2015 to August 2019. Currently working member of Board of Study in Computer Engineering under the Faculty of Technology, University of Mumbai. He has published about 48 papers in international and national journals and conferences and one copyright on his name. Sir has written 4 books through reputed publisher. Under his supervision, 5 research scholars has passed out from University of Mumbai and 4 working towards their PhD. Sir has guided 30 PG students and 3 ongoing. Sir is a life member of IST, CSI, then ISCTI. Sir has reviewer of reputed journals like IEEE Transaction, Science Direct, Elsewhere, and Springer. Sir is actively involved on many university aimed at designing syllabus revision for UG and PG program, as well as working as a member of academic advisor. I request you, sir, to please share the few words. Please, sir, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm audible, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Namaskar. Good evening, one and all. It's my pleasure part of this validatory of STTP on the development secure IoT applications. I personally really appreciate the efforts taken by the whole team to enlighten and explore the ideas how to develop the IoT tools. Because why it is so challenging into that one in such a pandemic situations, you have to interact with the faculty and you have to interact with all the experts to coordinate. So really it's a challenging, and in such a challenging situations, you have taken this you have come up this particular the idea, and this idea you have successfully implement. So very first I congratulate to the IT department, I congratulate the college, as well as I college the management, because without their the motivations, so the any faculty or the team will be not progress. I'm sure that all the participants who have attended this particular the STP, definitely they will get the benefited in the futures also. As rightly said by the Dr. Bhaveshwar, because now in the it's the emerging area, it's coming like as IoT. In the IoT include the security fashion that is called as a blockchain technology. So there's so many applications will be required into that one for the industry as well as for the society. So to match that the requirement, so definitely as a faculty as well as our the student should be require some sort of the extra knowledge. There's some expertise required into the upcoming areas. So I'm sure into that one. So this type of the STP will be explored and get the benefit to the in future for the faculty as well as the directly and indirectly to the students also. I thanks to the uh, team, especially for the STTP team, as well as the Professor Swati ma'am, as well as the Bhavesh sir, to invite me for this validatory function and give the platform to share my views. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request our HOD, Information Technology and Convener, Ms. Swati Nadkarni ma'am, to please share her views.
Good evening, everyone. It is a pleasure to address to all of you on this last day of the STDP. So before I begin, I would like to thank the dignitaries, Dr. Bhavesh Patel sir, Dr. Shinde sir, and Dr. Kolekar sir, who will be also joining us shortly, as well as all the participants and the organizing team. It is indeed an honor and pleasure to address after 1 week refresher program, in which all the participants were very actively involved and all the speakers also were giving their best. I would like to thank our management and our principal, Dr. Bhavesh Patel sir, who have been an inspiration and always motivation to take up such refresher courses. Also, I would like to thank IST and AICT for funding this program, because it was only because of this emerging trend that we decided to take up this topic, and we really are lucky to have so many participants from all across India. Though it is a COVID scenario, we were able to get participants from out of Maharashtra as well as all over from Maharashtra and Mumbai as well. So I think that we have been lucky that this online platform was able to accommodate all the participants in spite of the COVID. And just like every cloud has a silver lining, I believe that we all teachers have gone one step ahead, and we have overcome the problem of not able to teach in the classroom, but to accommodate the teaching in a different way. So what I would like to say at this point is, just like COVID, we might have any other problems, but as engineers, as faculty, we should always try to find solutions to the problems which have been existing in the past and which will come in the future. For this, all of us from different colleges actually should join hands and come up with different kind of projects. We started with patents, so I would be very happy if each one would have a number of patents to his or her credit, as well as these projects should be done to the society. I mean, just doing some projects for the sake of doing it would not have any value or meaning, but it should be done for the society. So I believe that this STDP and this refresher course has given everyone the insights to go one step ahead and to find applications in their own field where IoT could be used. So looking forward to all of you actually doing the projects, and of course, as the title suggests, security is very important. Only having projects done which are vulnerable would not solve the problems. It would add to more problems. So taking care of security is most important, not only for IoT but for other applications as well. So I would not call this as the last day or the ending of the STDP, but a new beginning for all of us. Again, I would like to thank Shinde sir and the entire team who have been actually working in and out, especially under the guidance of the coordinators, Ms. Smita Bansod madam and Mr. Chetan Majan sir, who have been right from applying for the proposal till today. And then after this also, with the reports and certificates, they will be following with each of the participants as well as speakers, dignitaries, and the entire IT department as well as other department faculties and the HODs, deans, who have been always motivating and working like a Sakek family. So I extend my sincere gratitude and would really like to thank each one who has made this STDP a grand success. So thank you to everyone. Do keep in touch, and we would love to hear the feedback. which would actually help us to improve ourselves. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your motivation words. Now this time to hear from our participants. I request Mr. Umesh Pinjarkar sir from Saraswati College of Engineering, Kharghar to share the feedback with us, sir. Umesh sir, please unmute yourself. Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Good evening, one and all present here. Myself, Umesh Pinjarkar from Saraswati College of Engineering, and I hope I am clear and visible to you. This is the opportunity to give me a feedback and in fact some important inputs from my side as a participant. As this program is sponsored by AICTE, ISTE, and it's an online program, refresher program on developing secure IoT applications organized by IT department of Shahan Anchor Kachi Engineering College, Mumbai. Okay, this program one line, if I am saying, it is systematically scheduled and professionally executed by the department as well as the college authorities, those who are taking lots of efforts to execute this in such a pandemic situation. This developing of secure IoT application, which is organized by SAKEC Chembur, is having many things that are can be taken as a participant from my side. The highlight sites from the highlight for this online refresher program starts from the inauguration only by Dr. Bhuta Singh, and then keynote address by Mr. Vishram Bhagat, who is the director of Data Byte Service and Systems, and then they let the journey starts by the different sessions organized by very well planned team, which are behind this completion of this program. Okay. Now, I would like to express my gratitude towards the SAK authority, specifically Principal Dr. Bhavesh Patel sir, Vice Principal Dr. Kotak sir, and Professor Swati Nadkarni, who is in charge of IT department, HOD, and coordinators, yes, because of which the program runs smoothly, and the things are like Professor Chetan Mahajan, Professor Smita Bansod, coordinator, Professor Jyoti, and all the team, teachers and staffs of SAKC who puts their lots of efforts to complete this activity within a time and will execute well executed manner, right? Hats off to all the teachers and the teaching and non-teaching staffs those are making this online refresher program possible despite of the fact that we all are dealing with this untoward pandemic situation. It is really commendable, and we are and I'm very sincerely lots of words for your appreciation. I would like to thank one and all here. The program was very well executed. The test is also going on because the some issue is there in the last moment, but it is like it can we can say accept in this such a scenario. Okay, so IoT being for my side, I said ki I am new to this field, but by going through all the sessions, I am quite comfortable to check what kind of things I brought from this program and help me to study and grow more in this field IoT, as well as to guide my some of the students, those who are in current BE ENTC department, Saraswati College of Engineering, developing their project and designing some secure IoT applications based on health as well as for the deep and wild people. Okay, so thank you very much for giving me an opportunity, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and feedback. Thank you, sir. Now I request Miss Rupali Sathe, madam, from Pillai College of Engineering, Rasayani, to share the feedback with us.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes, good evening, madam.
This is Rupali Sathe from Pillai HOC College of Engineering, Rasayani. As a participant of this event, I would like to say a few things about this event. So, very first thing is the complete session of this 6 days was really very excellent and very informative. It is organized in very well manner, actually. And this session gave us an opportunity to learn different concepts of IoT and from various keynote speakers of 6 days. We learned many things and inspired to learn many more actually. And I feel I can use this with my students also. As a teacher, we have to motivate our students to develop and different kinds of application in IoT, and we do that always, right? But now this session motivated me to do the research in the field of IoT. Okay, so this complete program was really very informative that I felt, and I wanted to say thanks to the college, Shan Anchor Engineering College, and complete team, organizing team of IT department for this wonderful event for all of us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Now I request Mr. Chetan Mahajan, Assistant Professor and Coordinator of this refresher program, to read the report and summarize the refresher program. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Smita ma'am. Today's guests, Dr. S.K. Shinde sir, Principal sir, Dr. Bhavesh Patel, Dr. V.C. Kotak sir, HOD of our IT department, Swati Nadkarni madam, my fellow coordinator Smita Bansod madam, and all the participants. We started this third AICTE IST sponsored online refresher program on developing secure IoT applications on 14th December 2020. The program was inaugurated by Dr. Bhuta Singh Sidhu, Vice Chancellor of MRSPT Punjab, and the keynote was given by Mr. Vishram Bapat sir, who is the Director of Data Byte Services and Systems. Mr. Bapat talked about how the digitization is changing the industry, and he also shown several use cases where IoT applications are implemented. Second session was taken by Dr. John Gomes, madam from SFIT Borivali, who demonstrated various simulators like Tinkercad and Circuit.io. The third session was taken by Dr. Parikshit Mahalle from SKN COE Pune, who explained basic IoT concepts. On second day, participants were introduced to emerging trends in IoT by Anita Chaudhary madam from St. John College of Engineering. Further in session 2 and session 3, speakers Mr. Yogesh Pingle sir from VCET Mumbai and Ms. Archana Chaugule madam and Mr. Manish Bhelande sir from our own IT department has explained the topics such as Arduino programming, Raspberry Pi and IoT application protocols respectively. Day 3 was taken by Mr. Sankar Ghosh, who is a technology solution lead at Accenture, Dr. Bhushan Jadhav from TSEC and Dr. Saurabh Patil from XIE Mumbai, who covered the topics security primer for IoT and cloud security and penetration testing using Kali Linux respectively. On day 4, our very own Dr. V.C. Kotak sir, who is professor in electronics and electronics department of our college, explained us the concept of autonomous robots through IoT and its applications during pandemic. In afternoon, Dr. Gopal Pardeshi sir from TSEC Mumbai covered the topics IoT and machine learning. And in third session, Mr. Abhay Fanchikar sir from AceWin Solutions introduced us with LoRaWAN technology. On day 5, we learned blockchain technology to secure IoT and middleware technologies for IoT by Mr. Arshdeep Bagha, who is a director of Cloudemy Labs, and by Geeta Gosabi madam from CDAC, Pune. During third session, participants practiced yoga, and the session was taken by Ms. Pratishruta Adhikari, who is a yoga therapist. Today morning on day 6, the first session was taken by Dr. Anjali Yevle from VSIT Mumbai, who demonstrated the Puja simulator to develop secure IoT applications. In the afternoon at 1:45 p.m., Mr. Jitendra Shinoy from L&T Infotech has thrown the light on a role of IoT in digital age. So we have learned so many things during last 6 days, and I hope we will consider this as a beginning and we will keep learning. Now I request Ms. Smita Bansod madam to give a vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. I think sir has joined, Kolika sir has joined. I request participants, if they feel to give feedback, please raise your hand so that we can unmute yourself. Your participants, sir is joining. Meanwhile, sir is joining. So any participants, please raise your hand so that I can unmute yourself. Actually, we are expecting your feedback so that we can improve in next sessions. Thank you, Shubha ma'am. Shubha ma'am.
Good evening.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Are you able to hear me, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is Shubha from Sri Sairam Institute of Technology, ma'am. See, really, I don't know anything about IoT. So after attending this FDP, I have gained good insights about IoT and the applications, everything. So really, and on that day, when Sir showed the video of all the applications, autonomous vehicles and so on, really, it was so informative. And thanks a lot to start from the scratch, ma'am. Thanks you a lot to all the organizers to organize this event successfully. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind feedback. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. So today we have with us Dr. Yashwant Apparao Kolekar, who is an executive council member of IST New Delhi and associate professor in civil engineering department at College of Engineering Pune. He is having more than 28 years of teaching experience. He completed his PhD from IIT Bombay in 2015. He was district liaison officer of Pune district for MHCET 2017. He was coordinator for first year engineering admissions for NRI, PIO, OCI, CIWCG, and FN for Maharashtra State in 2016. He was member of Executive Council of Indian Geotechnical Society, IGS, New Delhi in year 2017-18. He was also the member of Vidyalaya Management Committee, VMC, Kendriya Vidyalaya GK, Pune since 2013 to 2017. He is a member of Board of Governance as a trustee nominee of JJ Magdum College of Engineering, Kolhapur since 2017. He has several paper publications on his name in reputed national and international conference and journals. I request our principal, Dr. Bhavesh Patel, to please welcome, sir. I think sir has some technical problem. Hello.
Chetan, we can continue.
Okay, sir. So now I would request our chief guest, Dr. Kolekar sir, to say a few words.
Thank you, Chetan. Swati madam, then Patel sir, the team for this particular FDP or the AICT IST sponsored refresher course that was conducted on IoT Internet of Things. All the participants. So before I say a few words, I would like to correct Chetan. I'm not a chief guest because we all are faculty members. We are from the same family, and I belong to IST, and IST is organizing this program, so I cannot be a chief guest. So I hope that correction is accepted. Because I'm part of the family only. First, I would like to appreciate the entire team which has arranged this particular program in this never seen before situation that has arisen on the globe itself, and the spirit of humanity which is still there and which has been shown by the present generation who are who have survived this particular 2020 crisis. So that itself speaks that nothing is more precious than life. So those people who will be now going into 2021 in few days from now, and few years later down the time, when we look back at 2020, then though it was a nightmare, but it will always give us an energy. It will always give us a strength that whatever may be the condition in life, first thing has to be the survival. And survival of the fittest is always there. So overcoming all the odds, the team at Shah and Anchor Kutchi Engineering College, they have conducted this particular AICTE ICT sponsored refresher course on Internet of Things. And from the feedback, I was expecting, because there are 82 participants, as told by Chetan, cutting across the various disciplines. So I was expecting few more feedbacks, because as a member of IST, I was more interested in the feedback. But we could get only feedback from one faculty member, that was a madam. And always remember that feedbacks, we as an IST member, we take the feedback in a very positive frame of mind. Because to conduct a program in these types of crisis, itself speaks. And always remember, nobody is 100%. Even the nature doesn't allow. And here, this COVID-19 itself has shown that nothing is permanent and nothing is 100%. So the feedback will always help IST and the engineering college to still give back to the society, to the teaching fraternity in a more better way. So I appreciate the presence of all the 82 participants from different parts of the country to have wholeheartedly participated in this particular FDP, and during a time when we are going through the second phase, and which is considered to be more critical, though we have controlled it to a very great extent, but still we are going through the second phase. Still it is going on. So in spite of all these odds, all these 82 participants have rigorously undergone through this particular course of Internet on Things. And the IoT itself, when it started a decade back, that time there were very few takers, but now this particular year 2020 itself has shown that the importance of technology, the importance of Internet, because all the things are now there on the Internet only, right from school education to whatever it may be. Nowadays, everything is there on the Internet. It has to be taken through the media only, through the help of technology only, because of this particular pandemic. So that underlines the significance and importance of this Internet itself. Just imagine if this Internet had not been there, which came into existence, if I'm not wrong, some 40 or 50 years back. Had this Internet not been there, so what would have been the situation across the globe and for the mankind itself? So it's a technology, we have to use it positively. It has got side effects, it has got shortcomings, people misuse it. Even during these critical times, people have misused it, because we read it in the paper and the media too. But irrespective of that, the technology has taken us all together. It has acted as a weaving technology of keeping the entire society integrated together. So wishing you all a new year 2021, which will usher into a new era, which will give us all of us a new strength to once again withstand all the crises that may come in our life. So with these few words, I thank the participants, the management of the institute, Principal Patel sir, then Swati Nadkarni madam, Chetan and their team. Excuse me if I missed out some of the names. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating and kind words. As you rightly said, we were expecting more feedbacks. Actually, before you arrive, we had 2 feedbacks from the 2 participants, and the third one was by the madam. And I would like to mention that we are taking session-wise feedback. Daily we have 3 sessions, so we are taking 3 session feedbacks every day. So we are going to analyze them, and we will be using the feedbacks for the betterment of our next STTPs and the programs. Thank you so much for your kind words, sir. Now I would like to request our coordinator, Smita Bansod madam, to give vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I have mentioned here our family member, Dr. Kolekar sir, Dr. Subhash Shinde sir, Principal SAKE, Dr. Bhavesh Patel sir, Convener and HOD Information Technology, Ms. Swati Nadkarni ma'am, Coordinator, that is Chetan sir, Deans, HOD and all participants. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this valedictory function of 6 days AICTE sponsored online refresher program on developing secure IoT application from 14 December to 19 December 2020. On behalf of Information Technology Department, Shan Anchor Engineering College, Mumbai, I am Smita Bansod, express my most sincere thanks to Almighty God for making this program successful. I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our family member, instead of saying chief guest, who spare time from busy schedule to grace the occasion. Sir, please accept this virtual memento from us as a token of appreciation. Subhash Shinde sir, this virtual memento, please accept from us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Smart home devices. What if all the devices in your life could connect to the internet? Not just computers and smartphones, but everything: speakers, lights, doorbells, windows, heaters, cooking utensils, anything and everything that you can use. And what if those devices could communicate, send you information, and take your commands? This is Internet of Things, IoT, and its key component of home automation and smart homes. There are many smart home product categories. You can have smart kettles, smart locks, security cameras, smart lighting system, and the list is endless. Today we are demonstrating smart lighting systems, where we have used Amazon Echo controlling Wipro bulbs. We have used Amazon Echo 3rd generation, which is a Bluetooth speaker powered by Alexa, which is the Amazon's handy digital voice assistant. Now, Alexa works with a number of smart devices directly. You can switch it on, off, dim it, control the colors, change the colors, and control it. So this application you can try it too. Alexa also gives a variety of applications which you actually try. However, there will be some privacy issues and security concerns which you will have to take care of. Thank you.
Alexa, turn on the light. Okay. Alexa, turn the light color to red. Okay. Alexa, turn the light color to blue. Okay. Alexa, turn the light color to green. Okay. Alexa, turn the light color to purple. Okay. Alexa, turn the light color to cyan. Okay. Alexa, turn off the light. Okay.
Forward 200.
Okay, fine. Moving forward.
right now the lights are off and there's a PIR system connected to it. The PIR system is not detecting any motion, so the lights are off right now. As soon as it detects the human body and the pressure is being felt, the lights turn on automatically. And after some time, it automatically switches off as it does not detect the motion. It has stopped now.
Now we have to connect the RX and TX pin of the Bluetooth module, the TX to RX and RX to TX. So the TX gets connected to the RX pin of the board, and the RX pin of the Bluetooth gets connected to the TX of the board. Okay, so the connections are now been completed. Now we will open the app. Now we will open the app. This is our app, Blue Serial Beta. We have to pair our Bluetooth and we will connect to our Bluetooth. So it's get connected now. Now if we do a V and we send it, we get all the sensors reading on it. Since there is no water on the sensor, we have put the value to be high. If we put the water, then it will get low. As there is now water on the sensor, it is coming as low. So if there is water, it will come low. If there is no water, it will be high. We have included the humidity temperature DHT11 module, the MPX 10 dB pressure sensor, the buzzer, the HC05 Bluetooth module, and an MQ7 carbon monoxide gas sensor. And we have also included the buzzer and two LEDs. And the red LED will glow if the temperature is greater than 40 or the carbon monoxide sensor is greater than some particular 375 value. And the green LED will glow when it is not. The green LED is glowing, but it is very dim because of the multiple sensors taking all the power of the board. It is glowing but very light. Okay, so this is
Maybe this video is useful to develop the different IoT application. I request participants to fill the overall feedback form, which is pasted in chat box. Thank you all. Happy learning and Happy New Year.